So we have Miguel and the bullfighter. Miguel is the bullfighter, and he is going to be running towards a bull. All right, so let's figure out what's going on. Let's draw some pictures. Momentum problems really do use pictures, can be very helpful for him. So we have Miguel. Let me draw Miguel. Look at that. That's beautiful. And let's draw the bull. Wow, amazing. I know what you're thinking. This should really be in a museum, not on your physics problem. But, you know, that's the way it goes. Okay, so we have the bull is going to be, is the bull moving towards Miguel? It is. Okay, it's moving towards Miguel at 12 meters per second. So I don't think Miguel is going to last this one here. So we have the bull going this direction, and Miguel, so they're both going towards each other. After, they are going to collide and stick together. I'm pretty sure I know which direction they'll be going in, but let's figure it out with math. Okay, so let's assign some values here. So first, let's just draw it out. We have 4 meters per second going this way. We have 12 meters per second going the other way. Be always, always, always careful with momentum. If you have opposite directions like we have here, one of those directions has to be negative. Okay? So, M1 is Miguel, 72. V1 is 4. M2 is the bull, 550. V2 is 12 meters per second. All right. After they are stuck together, and we are going to be looking for the new velocity. Now, we can see they stick together. So that means our velocity should, or our equation is going to be the inelastic collision equation. So we have M1 V1. Oh my goodness. Let me fix that. That should be multiplication. Plus M2 V2 is equal to M1 plus M2 times V primed. Okay? So, once again, I'm going to do algebra without numbers first. So tough. That's what I'm doing. All right, I'm going to divide both sides by M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2. All righty? So, these cross out, yoink, yoink, and I have that my V primed, which is what I'm looking for, is M1 V1 plus M2 V2 divided by M1 plus M2. I would be careful with my parentheses, okay? So let's plug it in. We're going to have M1, which is 72, times 4 plus 550 times negative 12. Oh, look at that. We need to make that negative. Make sure we don't make that common mistake. That 12 needs to be negative because it's going opposite the direction of the 4. All right? Parentheses, that whole thing. And then down below, we have M1 plus M2, so we have our 72 plus our 550. All right? So we plug it in the calculator. Parentheses, 72 times 4 plus 550 times negative 12, close parentheses, divided by, parentheses again, 72 plus 550, close parentheses, but your calculator will do it for you. And we get our new velocity is 10.15, and that is a negative 10. Should it be? Well, let's look at the bull here. The bull is going in this direction. The bull had a mass of 550, and it had a higher mass and higher velocity than Miguel. So yeah, we can assume they're going to go in that direction still. And we said Miguel was a positive velocity, the bull was a negative, and bull was going to the left. So yes, we're good.